Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. Hope you're all doing well. We're in the lovely Albufeira. I'm just going to take a little walk along the seafront and show you the nice little restaurants, the bars and everything you can get down in the Old Town. So let's see Wagwan, you guys all know the vibe. So I just come from Infinity. We have got a video on the channel for that. So if you do want to check that out, I do highly recommend it. We just had some lovely food. I had some steak, had a sort of glass of Prosecco, reasonably priced, good food, and it's got a nice roof terrace as well. So you got Mr. Sombrero, got your Mexican. We are in the sort of time of day where it's still happy hour. So if anyone is coming out soon, good news, they do have happy hour, usually up until about 7 for most places. This is our favourite restaurant. So if you do get to come to Old Town and come to this area, then definitely come to this restaurant. Really, really nice. We have the best caterpillar here. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Really, really yummy. So we got the beach and it's absolutely rammed today. Super busy. Everyone's getting ready for the opening, which is tomorrow. So very excited. Love it when the strip opens. Obviously at the moment it's busy, but not everything is fully open because this is a seasonal sort of part of Portugal. So if you do come out of season, yes, things will be open, but obviously if you come at peak times, you get the full experience of the whole resort. So, and that happens here tomorrow. Obviously it varies from wherever you're staying. It's usually during the sort of the summertime. Obviously if you're going skiing, it'd be the winter time. So yeah, the beach is absolutely rammed. Looks like they had some sort of blow up event there. The fun stuff for the kids. Got the famous Love Albufeira. And then up there you got another viewing point. We've got that on the channel as well. Probably will get it on this one as well, just to show you guys. So you got the most current sort of up-to-date videos. But yeah, really, really busy. Speaking of that, actually, we've got a friend or a couple of friends who sort of vlog, same as us, travel. So do check them out. They're called the Gypsy Souls. But they had the Daily Mail actually take one of their videos. They're in Cyprus at the moment, and it basically just really twists it to say, you know, Cyprus is dead, there's nothing going on there at the moment, which, yeah, because it's not in season. Like, obviously, if you've been to any of the Greek islands or, you know, anywhere, if it's not in season, yeah, it's going to be quiet. That's what not being in season is. So yeah, I found that really odd because we go to Zante quite a lot. If you're interested, check out the channel. We've also got Soccer. So yeah, check that out. We'll be there in May. But if we go out of season, which we have, because we like to go when it's a bit quieter, not everything's open because it's out of season. It's such a normal thing. So just if you are sort of figuring out where you want to go on holiday and you want it to be vibrant, you want everything to be open, you want it to be busy, just check when the season opens. When does it start? Because some places like Tenerife are sort of all year round because of where they're situated. They've got that sort of all year round weather. Yes, it's hotter in the summer, but it's also absolutely, you know, stunning if you go in January, which we've done loads of times. But places like Portugal, where we are now, Albufeira, sorry, some music playing, or, you know, mainland Spain, where Kirk's just been. So we've done like Fingarola, Medina, Marbella, places like that. They're always going to have people there, but they're not fully open yet. So you've had some people jumping in there. So yeah, really, really busy. And we've done the walk down there before, so we're going to do that later. We like walking to the Newtown beach, just so you guys can see that as well. But yeah, absolutely stunning day. If you are coming out, you are going to have a lovely time. The weather has just gone up like 5 or 6 degrees more. So when we got here it was sort of low 20s, which was still absolutely lovely, and now it's like high 20s. So enjoy, bring your sunblock, you're definitely going to need it. Ah, it's all blown up now. Am I tripping? We'll have to do a quick rewind. If you're watching, you might need to rewind this because I actually thought that was down and now it's up. Have I completely lost my mind? So yeah, so you got a bouncy castle, bit of fun. There's a big stage there as well, so they do acts and stuff here. Again, just have a look on the tourism board and stuff, and in the groups. So check out Albufeira Paradise, that's a good one. But yeah, there's loads on like Facebook and stuff, or yeah, just have a look. And then yeah, you might be able to see some music when you're here as well. Got your little front beach ones. I sound like I'm really out of breath because I'm walking on sand and then I've got loads of sand in my shoes. It's not because I'm extremely unhealthy. I'm just literally wearing the wrong shoes to walk on sand. If anyone has Crocs, when you walk on the beach, the Crocs literally get coated in sand. So now the whole front of where my toes are like in a cushion of sand. And it does make walking a little bit tricky. But I'm surviving. So we've got this lovely little statue. Very cute. Public toilet over there, never noticed that. So if you're at the beach and you get caught and you don't want to go into a restaurant, there is a public toilet there. We're going to go up this way because I want to talk about that bar, restaurant. It used to be an all-you-could-eat meat place. And I was going to check it out this holiday, but it's closed. And it's turning into something else. So if anyone knows what it's going to be, or, you know, knows if the other restaurant has completely gone or moved location, please put in the comments below. So yeah, that's a bit of a big change. That's now gone. So yeah, I'll just show you. So that's the one there, Georgina now. So yeah, somewhere very different. Yeah, we never got to try the old one, so there you go, lesson learned. You want to try somewhere, try it, because you don't know if it'll always be there. It's just a little bit, you know, disappointing. Right, let me just walk you around the main bit of the beach and show you some of these other little restaurants as well, because they're also really, really pretty and great places to eat. So we haven't eaten in all of these, so let us know if you have any recommendations. Sharing is caring. And then obviously you've got this lovely viewpoint. You guys some prices. Hello. This one's got happy hour, so beers, wine, cocktails. Got the cutest little doggy there. This one, coffee, €3.50, brandy and coffee, €4.50, not bad. And then we got the little benches, and then one of my favourite places, because it's a little bit shaded, and you got all these statues. There you go. And then we got the lady reading. She never leaves, she loves this spot. This is definitely her spot. And then you've got like a little free library, which I think is so cute. Can't open it, I don't know if you can open it, but it usually has books and stuff in there, and I think that's just really nice. We have been to this restaurant here. We had, again, Caterpillar, and it was really, really yummy. Reasonably priced. I do the sardines. Do check out Kirk's trying to eat sardines. He's not very good with stuff like that, and he tried it in Marbella, and the reaction is rather funny. So if you do want a little bit of a giggle, I do suggest checking that out. Oh, look at that cat. Right, and then this brings you back into the main sort of like shops and borough parts of Old Town, and do check that out. We have got a What's New for this year, so if you do want to check it out, go to our playlist and it'll be on there. If not, I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really does help push the content.